Salut! The next two videos will be all about the future, which correspond to any action that did not happen yet, or to anything happening after the moment you are speaking now. Comment ça marche? How does the future work? The future in French, just like in English, can be expressed with two major tenses. Le futur proche, or near future, which will be I am going to read, for example, referring to an action about to happen, or to an action planned in advance. And then we'll have le futur simple, or the will future, the I will read, referring to a spontaneous action which will happen at some point in the future. So, let's have a look at our two next lessons going through these two crucial tenses, le futur proche et le futur simple. Voilà, à tout de suite dans les prochaines vidéos. Merci!